Fisker Incorporated, which rose from the ashes of the karma-producing Fisker Automotive, has actually revealed one car to date, the Fisker C. Production of the C is ready to commence in November 2022. While there are still 9 months until Fisker delivers its first electrical crossover, Fisker has currently announced that a second version, the Pear, will certainly go on sale in 2024, as well as has actually made the ambitious claim that it will start at $29,900. The Pear, the name stands for Personal Electric Automotive Transformation, will certainly be a compact, 5-passenger crossover slotting below the C in Fisker's lineup. Fisker is guaranteeing intuitive controls, flashy driving, clever storage, and a concentrate on market firsts. While the Ocean will certainly be developed by Magna Steyr in Austria, Fisker is partnering with Taiwanese electronic supplier Foxconn for the manufacturing of the Pear. Foxconn will construct the Pear in Ohio at the Lordstown setting up plant which Foxconn purchased last loss. Foxconn is likewise ready to build the electric Lordstown Stamina pickup truck at the Ohio manufacturing facility. Fisker states distributions of the Pear will start in 2024, with a minimal preliminary production of 250,000 systems annually. Fisker is currently approving bookings for the Pear, and also interested customers require to pay $250 for the initial reservation, and also $100 momentarily reservation at a later day.